In this video, I'll show you how to connect your quiz to Zapier so you can automatically send quiz leads for further analysis, automation, or retargeting. Step 1. Prepare your quiz. Before connecting to Zapier, you may want to add a name, phone number, or email question to your quiz in order to identify your leads. To do this, click Customize, Questions, and add the fields you'd like to collect. For example, a name, phone, or email address question. You can also use AdBlock to insert them into an existing slide. Once you've added your lead fields, click Save Changes. Step 2. Go to Integrations and connect Zapier next. Return to your quiz dashboard and click the Settings button. Then open the Integrations tab and look for Zapier. Click Connect, and you'll be redirected to Zapier's login page. Log in with your Zapier credentials, and you'll see an authentication screen asking for your RevenueHunt API key. To find this key, go back to the RevenueHunt app, scroll to Zapier integration, and click Copy API key. Then, return to the Zapier window, paste the key, and click Yes, Continue. Once connected, Zapier will confirm that the RevenueHunt 2.0 integration has been successfully authorized, and you'll be redirected back to your quiz integrations page. Step 3. Test the connection. Now let's test it. Go back to your quiz dashboard, click Preview, and take a sample quiz. Fill in the required fields, including your name and email, and complete the quiz until the results page appears. Once done, close the quiz and head over to Zapier. Step 4. Create a new Zap. In Zapier, click Create Zap. For the Trigger app, search for RevenueHunt 2.0 and select it. Then, for the Trigger event, choose New Response. Select your connected RevenueHunt account, click Continue, and choose the quiz you'd like to use as your trigger. For example, your skincare quiz. Click Continue again, then click Test Trigger. Zapier will automatically fetch your most recent quiz response and display the data. Here you'll see details like response ID, quiz ID, and name, customer's name and email, their answers to each question, the recommended products and result content. If you can see this data, the integration is working correctly. Now that Zapier is receiving your quiz responses, you can decide what happens next. For example, you can send leads to a Google Sheet for tracking, add them to your CRM or email marketing tool, send notifications to Slack, or apply filters to only send responses that meet certain conditions. You can also trigger emails or automate workflows with any of Zapier's native tools. Step 5. View your active Zaps. Once your Zap has been created and published in Zapier, go back to your quiz integrations page in the RevenueHunt app. You'll now see a list of active Zaps in the Zapier section. These represent all the Zaps currently connected to this particular quiz. This helps you keep track of your active automations at a glance. And that's it. That's how you can connect your quiz to Zapier. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.